Good morning, students. Are you ready for your economics class? I hope you are enjoying study in your Google Classroom. Do you remember what we studied in the last lecture? Yes, you are right. We discussed about the characteristics of wants and we didn't complete that topic in the last lecture, so we will continue that topic and we will complete this topic today. At the end of today's lecture you will be able to explain and write about the characteristics of wants. My dear students, you can find this topic on page number 16 and 17 of your books. My bright and shining students, in the last lecture we completed the first 3 characteristics of wants. So, in today's lecture we will start our 4th characteristic, which states that wants are competitive. Do you know the meaning of competition? Yes, my dear students, you are absolutely right. Competition is always among 2 persons or goods or commodities or anything, so, why wants are competitive? All the wants cannot be satisfied and it depends on the income of a person. So everyone has to prioritize the wants. Wants compete among themselves and the most important want should be satisfied first. I hope you are getting my point. For example, a sick man needs medicine instead of a new mobile phone. What do you say, students? Am I right? Okay, so let's move forward. The next characteristic is that wants are alternative. What do we mean by alternatives? Yes, alternative means that different options are available for different things. If you feel hungry, you can eat pizza, you can eat bread, or you can eat KFC chicken, yummy. And if you are thirsty, you have many options to satisfy your thirst. Am I right, students? Okay, so what we learned from our today's lecture, that wants have different alternatives and we can satisfy our wants by different alternatives. The last but not the least, wants are complementary. This is the last characteristic of wants. What do we mean by complement? Any guesses? Okay, complement means any additional benefit of anything which cannot be used alone or anything which makes an item complete. So, many goods are complementary goods and can't be used alone. For example, a motor car cannot be used without petrol, and for tea you need sugar and tea leaves. Okay, students. Can you think of a few examples of complementary wants? You have to give me the answer in the Google Classroom. Write the examples in the notebooks and give the answer of long question as well, which is asked in the end. Okay, my dear students. I hope today's lecture is clear, and if you have any confusion regarding the lecture, feel free to ask me. You have to write the answer of the given long question in your neat notebook and solve the worksheet. For the long answer you must watch the last lecture in which we studied about the first 3 characteristics of wants. Thank you for being with me. See you in the next lecture. Goodbye.